This video will demonstrate administration of the conferencing service using the web portal. After first logging into the web portal and then selecting the My Settings tab, you will see a list of services offered by your provider. Click on Conferencing to open your settings. Clicking on the blue arrow under the General tab will show you your conference ID number and administrator access code. Both of these numbers are configured in advance by the service provider. You can change your administrator access code by entering a new number of up to 5 digits and clicking Save. As the conference administrator, you have control over key functions such as terminating the conference when you leave, a quiet mode that turns on and off the entry and exit beeps, and the ability to mute all attendees during the conference. You do have the flexibility to mute specific attendees while the conference is in progress. More on that in a minute. The Rates tab shows conference rates as agreed upon by your company and the service provider. If allowed by your service provider, clicking on the blue arrow under Recording will display the settings associated with your ability to record a conference. Previously recorded conferences can also be accessed and listened to or downloaded from this location. Your service provider will also supply you with dial-in attendee access numbers, which may include toll-free numbers. It's important that you make sure that your conference attendees have both a dial-in conference number as well as the conference ID number prior to entering the conference. The call manager of your conference can be found by clicking on the Home tab. An attendee entering the conference will hear the following prompt.
Thank you for using this conference service. Please enter your conference identification number.
If the administrator has not joined the conference, attendees will not be able to join either.
The administrator has not yet arrived. If you are the administrator, please enter your administrative access code now.
The conference administrator has several options during the conference. The administrator can begin or end recording of the conference at any time. Attendees can have their volumes increased, decreased, or muted. The administrator also has the option of removing an attendee from the conference. This concludes the video on conference administration through the web portal. Please contact your service provider if you have additional questions.